Hi, I'm Norma. I'm the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be making some steamed mussels paired with our 2017 Janus. To start, we are going to take our mussels, and when you first get them, you're going to want to run the mussels under a stream of cold water in a bowl or a deep enough dish to where they can slightly be covered in the water. Any mussels after about 2 to 3 minutes that do not close up with the water running on them, you want to throw those mussels away. This part of the beard you're just going to want to remove and just use your pliers, and again, take it and then just rip forward and it will come out like that. So for the lemon, we're going to actually just cut this very thin because we are going to be cooking it with the rind. And you're just going to cut it as thin as you can get it. I'm going to take just about 4 very thin slices here. And then from here, like to cut them into little pizza slices like this. I'm just using a yellow onion for this. Again, if you wanted to use a white onion, red onion, you could even use a shallot. Last is we have a couple strips of bacon here, and we're just going to take this and just do very thin cuts, kind of like a bacon bit. So we're just going to start with the bacon, and we're just going to want to get it nice and crispy. This is a dry pan, no oil, nothing. We're going to end up using that bacon fat to help give flavor to the rest of the dish as well. I'm going to cook it for just a couple minutes. So now that that is almost completely crisp, we are going to add in our onions. And then we're going to take our capers. And I like to add these in with the onions because I like them to get a little bit crisp, and it will actually cook some of the brininess out of the caper. So next we're going to add the lemon, and we're also going to add the garlic. Around a little bit more. Add a little bit of chili flake. One last little stir here. And now we're going to add a little bit of Brooks white wine to this. I'm using the Hopewell today. And we're going to just deglaze the pan. Kind of scrape the bits off the bottom because all of that's really good flavor. And then to finish it, gonna add some of our tomato coulis, which is basically onions, garlic, marjoram, oregano, and tomatoes that have been cooked down for 3 hours. If you don't have tomato coulis, you can just use a pre-made tomato sauce. And now we're gonna add all of those really nice mussels to it. just gonna cover it. While we're waiting, I just took a baguette and cut it in half. A little bit of olive oil on there, just to go with these mussels. And then you're just going to want to take all that sauce, just pour it right over the top. And then to finish it off, some fresh cut chives right on top. And then for the garlic bread, I just take a raw piece of garlic clove and I'll just rub it straight onto the bread. I'm just gonna set this right in there. All right, let's taste it. Okay. Yeah. It goes so well. The smokiness of the bacon and then the pop of acidity from the lemon and the capers that you're getting in there. Oh my goodness. And this wine goes amazing with it. It pairs perfectly with this dish. And once you kind of work your way through the mussels a little bit, then you can use the garlic bread and just get all of that really good sauce. We hope that you guys can all come in and enjoy this dish here at the winery. If not, the recipe will be posted on our website so you can enjoy it from the comfort of your own home. Cheers to everybody for a better 2021. Can't wait to see you. I feel like I should just start stretching. Happy New Year.